Where are you? Wait. Sergey, I will pay you. Wait.
I gave him the master. He doesn't pay me yet. I want you to kill him.
I made your coffee.
And I can't recollect a better time in my life. She has all my respect. She has all my respect. And I cannot protect my heart from her command.
Hi. The job has been successful.
If she's stringing me along the belt, the record's strong, so I can't detect it. She's coming up behind me in the morning, loving when I least suspect it. Every single thing about the situation says I can't be wrong. And every time she gets the satisfaction, I want her to control me all.
A lot of clues. I must find out who's the killer. Suspicious.